Hi students, good morning. This is K. Santosh Kumar, PGT Zoology, Srikakulam. Welcome to our YouTube classes. We are conducting the YouTube classes due to the afternoon time, and we have discussed the MSET and Zoology, MSET and NEET Zoology. Okay, already I started digestion and absorption. What is the digestion? And different kinds of parts are involved in the digestion process. Okay, and what is oral cavity, what is pharynx, what is the palate and rugae, okay, what is the palate, okay, and the tongue is also help in the digestion process, and the mastication one of the important process in the oral cavity, and different type of the teeth are embedded in the sockets of jaws. Okay, the sockets of jaws are called alveolus. Okay, sockets of jaws are called alveolus. Okay, and when these teeth are embedded in the sockets of jaws are called thecodine dentition, and various kind of the teeth presence in the sockets of jaws, that is called heterodont dentition. Okay, heterodont dentition, and this kind of the teeth, a majority of the mammals we have to find that to forms the teeth in twice, because that's why it's called as a diphyodont dentition. The teeth are formed in majority of mammals in their lifetime in twice, in the two times, and this is such a kind of the dentition called diphyodont dentition. Okay, heterodont dentition, diphyodont dentition, okay, thecodont dentition. So these are the different type of the dentitions. Okay, and diphyodont dentition, we have to find that two kinds of the teeth are formed in the lifespan of mammals, in the majority of the mammals: permanent teeth and temporary teeth or milk teeth. Okay, temporary teeth, deciduous teeth, milk teeth, and permanent teeth. Okay, the milk teeth are replaced by the permanent teeth, and total the adult dental formula 2.23 by 2.23. Okay, in the children we have to find the only 20. Okay, dental formula is 2102 by 2102. Okay, we know that. And in adult stage, at the time of adult stage, then premolars. Okay, the third set of the premolars are formed at the age of 20. Okay, such kind of the teeth are called wisdom teeth. We have to find the different kind of the teeth here today. Okay, today our topic is structure of teeth. We have to, before learn about the structure of teeth, we have to see the different kinds of the teeth. Okay, we have to embed it. We have the different kinds of the teeth embedded in the jaws of bone, sockets of the bone. That is therefore the dentition called thecodont dentition. ఓకే, ఎముకల యొక్క గర్తాలలో, అంటే దవడ ఎముక యొక్క గర్తాలలో దంతాలు అమరి ఉన్నటువంటి విధానాన్ని ఏమంటారు? థీకోడెంట్ డెంటిషన్ అని అంటారండి. ఓకే, we have to find the different kinds of the dentition, that's called as the heterodont dentition. Okay, incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So incisors are the scissor shaped. It is a point edge. It is a pointed edge, sharp pointed edges అన్నమాట. అలా ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? ఇన్సిజర్స్ అని అంటారు. ఇట్స్ యూజ్ ఫర్ ద కటింగ్. అండ్ కెనిన్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ షార్ప్ పాయింటెడ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ డాగర్ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్. ఇట్స్ యూజ్ ఫర్ ద టియరింగ్. ఓకే, ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్ని టియర్ చేయడానికి, చీల్చడానికి యూజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుందండి. అండ్ దెన్ ప్రీమోలార్స్ ఆర్ ద బ్లంట్ సర్ఫేస్, ఫ్లాట్ సర్ఫేస్. ఇట్స్ యూజ్ ఫర్ ద చూయింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్, ఆహార పదార్థాన్ని నమలడానికి యూజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ద ఫైనల్ molars also blunt and some flat surface. Then it's used for the chewing and grinding. And these kind of premolars and molars both are called as a cheek teeth. These are called as a cheek teeth. And we have to find that. Okay, we know that the teeth are the ectomesodermal organ. Already we have learned in the before class. Okay, last day class. Then we have to find the structure of teeth. And we know that structure, the teeth are formed ectomesodermal origin. We have to find the three main parts here: crown, neck, and root. Crown, neck, root. Okay, it is an exposed part. Crown is the exposed part, and the neck. So neck is a middle part. It is a middle part. It is a lined by. It is a line covered by the gums. It is covered by the gums. And the inner part, the root part is embedded in the sockets of jawbones. The sockets are called as a alveolus. Okay, it's embedded in the sockets of jawbones. Jawbones గర్తాలలో ఉంటాయండి. Okay, దవడ ఎముక గర్తాల్లో ఉంటుంది ఈ root part. Okay, and these are the three parts. Then we have to find the dentine form. Okay, the dentine of crown. The dentine of crown is one of the major part. It is a hardest part. It is a hardest material in the body. Okay, the dentine of crown is a secreted. It is the hardest material, and it is a secreted by the. Okay, it is secreted by the odontoblast of mesodermal origin. Okay, it is dentine is secreted by the odontoblast of mesodermal origin. Then it is covered by the hardest material. Okay, the dentine is covered by the. This dentine is covered by the. Okay, the dentine of crown is covered by the. Okay, another hardest material, the most hardest material, that is called enamel. Okay, the enamel is secreted by the ameloblast. The enamel, these are ameloblast secreted to the enamel, hardest part. It is ectodermal origin. Okay, what is the origin? It is ectodermal origin. Then coming to that cavity. Okay, pulp cavity. Okay, inside the teeth we have to find the cavity called pulp cavity. This pulp cavity is lined by the what kind of the cells? Odontoblast cells. Already these odontoblast cells to form a dentine. Odontoblast cells అనేటువంటి dentine form చేస్తాయి. So these dentine is secreted by the odontoblast cells of the mesodermal origin. This pulp cavity is lined by the odontoblast. Okay, the pulp cavity is mainly lined by the odontoblast cells and which contain the cavity. Which contain the pulp material. Which contain the pulp cavity contain the material that is called pulp. Then which contain different kind of nerves, blood vessels find in this pulp cavity. Okay, pulp cavity. And then this pulp cavity is lined by the the root. The root is embedded in the alveolus, jaw sockets, and it is covered by the another part that is called cementum. It is covered by the material. The root is embedded in the eye sockets and it is covered by the cementum. It is covered by the cementum and it is fixed, and this the tooth is fixed in the root. The root of tooth. The root of tooth is fixed in the sockets of the jaw bones through by these cementum and the periodontal membrane. Periodontal membrane, whatever it may be. Then these enamel, the enamel of dentine is covered by the gums. Okay, the enamel of dentine is covered by the neck part is found in these gums. Okay, the gum is also known as gingiva. The name anaranta gingiva ani antarandi. Then coming to that another part, this is the structure of teeth. This is the structure of teeth. Then coming to that tongue, it is a muscular part. Different kind of the papillae are found on the surface of this tongue. We have to see that what kind of the papillae are present on this. Then tongue. So you know that tongue is a freely movable muscular sense organ. It is a freely movable muscular sense organ. సులువుగా కదిలేటువంటి కండరయుతమైనటువంటి జ్ఞాన భాగం. ఓకే, జ్ఞానేంద్రియం. Okay, then it is a freely movable muscular sense organ. Then it is attached to floor of oral cavity. It is attached to floor of oral cavity by a fold of tissue. This tissue called frenulum. This tissue called as a frenulum. So it is attached to floor of oral cavity by a fold of tissue. This tissue called frenulum. Then the upper surface of tongue has a small projections. The upper surface of the tongue have a small projections. These projections are called papillae. These projections are called papillae. So some of which BSA taste buds. These are different kind of the papillae. These papillae BS the some taste buds which detection of taste of the food material. Then based on the detection of the taste material, these taste buds or papillae are the three different types. Okay, we have to see the three different types. So first of all, circumvallate papillae. And what kind of the papillae we have to find on the surface of different areas of the tongue? Circumvallate papillae, fungiform papillae and filiform papillae. First of all, fungiform papillae. Okay, where did you find? At the anterior margins. It is a anterior margins. It is a anterior part, it is a posterior part, it is a middle part. Okay, and it is these fungiform papillae are at the anterior margins and tip of the tongue. Anterior margins and tip of the tongue. We have what kind of the papillae? Fungiform papillae and filiform papillae. Next, filiform papillae. So these filiform papillae are present on the surface of the tongue. Where do you find in this diagram? On the surface of the tongue. Okay. Then coming to that another one, circumvallate papillae. Where did you found? It is find on the surface on the posterior part and the base part. Posterior part and the base part of the tongue. Okay, and which helps in the different kinds of the taste. These circumvallate papillae detects the sour taste, bitter taste, and the foliate papillae find what kind of the taste. Foliate papillae sour taste and salty, and the filiform papillae. Okay, filiform papillae detects the sweet taste. Okay, and the tongue is also called as a universal toothbrush. Why it is known as a universal toothbrush? Okay, it is mix the food material with saliva at the time of mastication. Okay, it is detects the taste. It detects the taste and deglutition. Used for the deglutition and then used for speaking. Mainly it's used for the speaking. So these are about the structure of teeth and structure of tongue. Okay, you want to like my class, you like the videos, comment and share to your friends, and mainly subscribe my Santosh Zoology channel. Then coming and we will discuss to another topic, parents, in the next class. Thank you to all of you. Thank you very much.